Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got another nice, simplistic, minimal watch face that I think is worthy of a download. And remember, people, I told you to keep in mind that we're getting you ready for the work week. Now, you're not going to get any steps with this one. It's going to give you your digital time, battery information, and it's going to be energy saving to a degree, especially with that black background. Now, the name of the watch face is called Simple Digital Multi-Language. Now, I'm loving the look of this one. Again, very simple. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look, same information. And once it's on, you're going to get, of course, the day of the week, which is written out in big bold letters. You're going to get your nice digital time, very legible. And you're going to get your month and your date down at the bottom. Now, you're going to get animated seconds, and I love animated seconds with a digital watch face. And you're going to also get your battery percentage. Now, this is also linked to your battery percentage, and it starts from here when it's full. But as it gets to 15%, it's going to turn red to let you know it's almost time to recharge. All right, you all, so what do you think about this simplistic digital watch face? Is it a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you want, go ahead, it's okay. Subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.